আসসালামু আলাইকুম প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীরা, dear students of class 6, how do you do? Hope and believe that you are safe and sound staying at home. I also hope that you are continuing your study with our online classes on Community Online School. Dear students, in our previous classes, we had discussed several topics in English second paper. Now, we will discuss a very easy and important topics from our syllabus, item number 12, that is substitution table. Substitution table, and it has been assigned for your annual exam. Okay, students, so today we will discuss about an important topics, that is substitution table. It is the item number 12 from your syllabus, and which has been assigned for your annual exam. Dear students of class 6, in this item substitution table. Dear students of class 6, in this item you will find that there is a table before you containing some parts of sentences. After reading those parts of sentences, you have to write down 4 complete and correct sentences using these given clauses. Total marks for this substitution table is 4, and you can say that 1 mark is allotted for each one correct sentence. Understand, dear students? Total marks for this item substitution table is 4, and 1 mark is allotted for each one correct sentence. Now we will start our discussion how to write down, how to you will solve this table in correct order. Dear students, you know that in this table you see that there are some parts or 4 parts of sentences. So what can you do at first for writing those sentences? At first, bear in mind, you must read the given table very carefully, and several times you can go through the whole table with full attention, and then try to understand about the main theme or topics. I want to make you understand that the table or topics has been written on what topics, or what is the main theme that very given topics. You must understand it. And then find out the main subject of that lines. That means the noun and a proper noun must be the subject of the beginning lines, and this is the starting. This should be starting, and then the pronoun following that noun, then pronoun would appear. Then try to match the beginning clauses with the next clauses, one after another, with full meanings. Dear students, can you guess what I am saying you? At first you learn what parts or what noun should be the subject of that of these sentences, and after writing the first line you should use the pronoun of that very noun. The formative structure must be meaningful and structure should be grammatically correct. You should bear in mind, dear students, the writing sentences should be in a correct order, in a correct logical order. That means which sentence should appear first, and after that very lines which sentence should be appeared. You should understand it and you should guess it. If you write down sentences in a jumbled order, that means the sentences are right. The sentences which has been written is correct, but these sentences have been written in jumbled order. What will be the situation then? I think if you write those sentences in a jumbled order, you will get marks. But if you be able to write those sentences in correct order, in a logical way, I think this is the best method and this is the best way to get the full marks, to receive the full marks. Dear students, so you must try to write those sentences in correct order. Now we will discuss about such problems. Look,
কিছু আসে না।
গোলটা আসে না।
না।
Dear students, look. Here is the table. There is a problem before you. Trees, they, we. These are subjects. And after subjects, we find need or take. Next, carbon dioxide and produce oxygen. Our best friends. Our best friends, as they do, बहुवचन করে দাও, plural. Oxygen to breathe. Very useful to man. So, after reading this table, we can understand that this context or this passage has been highlighted on trees, and in this table we can easily guess that trees should be the subject, and this is noun, and after that line they, we, these are pronouns. So we easily can understand that in that table we can use trees as main subjects, and this is the beginning line. Trees should appear at the beginning of the starting line. So what can we do now? Trees need, if we use need, what come to the situation? Trees take can be used. Trees take carbon dioxide and produce oxygen. This can be used. But if we think in other ways, these subjects should, these trees are our best friends. This sentence is meaningful. Or trees are very useful to man. This also correct. You can write in any other way. Trees are our best friends. This is line 1. And then they take carbon dioxide and produce oxygen. That means trees, we know that trees absorb carbon dioxide, which is very harmful for mankind, for society. Trees absorb that very poisonous carbon dioxide, and they produce fresh oxygen. They take carbon dioxide and produce oxygen. Then we need oxygen. We need oxygen to breathe. Breathe, that means in Bengali, শ্বাস প্রশ্বাস নেওয়া. We need oxygen to breathe. Number 2, 3. They are very useful to man, and this is number 4. Okay, students. So what will be the answer? Number 1. Trees are our best friends. They take carbon dioxide and produce oxygen. We need oxygen to breathe. And last one, they are very useful to man. Here the pronoun they has been used in lieu of, by the place of trees. In such way we can write 4 sentences. Correct 4 sentences. Okay? Next, come to the next problem. বুঝা যায় না, তারা বলতে বুঝা যায় না। Look, another problem. From hand to mouth, poor, our homeland, and next in the place. In middle portion, lived is are. Bangladesh, most of the people, many people, they, look, dear students, at first beginning in Bangladesh, most of the people, many people, next they. In middle portion there is verb here, live is are, and in object position there are some clauses from hand to mouth for our homeland in the place. Now guess and think about the passage. This passage is obviously focused on our homeland Bangladesh and its people. Here we can use as main subject Bangladesh. Bangladesh it is unnatural. Bangladesh it should not be correct. Bangladesh is, that means after Bangladesh, logically we should use verb is. Bangladesh is our homeland. You think that this is the best sentence here. If you try to form in another way Bangladesh through the Bangladesh, then you will see that this sentence would not be the improper form. So number one, the first sentence will be Bangladesh is our homeland. Number one. Next, most of the people, অধিকাংশ লোক, live. If we use verb live, most of the people live in the place. Many people, অনেক লোক are poor. And last pronoun they. They, that means will be used in lieu of people. They live from hand to mouth. Since many people poor, so they live from hand to mouth. Hand to mouth, that means very poor people, they what they can earn daily, they have to lead their life with that very income. That means din ene din khao. In Bengali meaning din ene din khao, hand to mouth. Again, look, Bangladesh is our homeland. First sentence, you can put on it, most of the people live in the place. Many people are poor. And finally, they live from hand to mouth. Okay, understand? I think everybody easily understood this table, and you have to put down, you have to answer this table in your exam. Such type of table will be given. Now we will solve another problem. Students, look, our food with water. A liquid substance in seas, rivers, and ponds. Water. And quench our thirst. In middle portion, cook is found. Cook is found. Drink. And at the beginning, water, eat, we. Students, look, water, cook our food with water. It is a liquid substance. এখানে is found in seas, rivers and ponds. Here, drink water and quench our thirst. After reading this table, we easily find that this topics has been described on water, the uses of water, the importance of water. Water is the main theme. The uses of water is the main theme of that table, and we find that water should be the beginning subject or main subject, and after writing this sentence we can use pronoun it in the place of water. That means as a pronoun we can use it. And then there is another pronoun. This is totally different from those two. This is we. We is another pronoun here. And in second question there are 4 verbs here. Mean cook, is found, drink. And third portion, here we find that there are some parts of sentences here, and these parts are used as objects of those sentences. Okay, now start. Think yourself how to write, how to solve this table, and how to make 4 sentences using this portion, using these parts of these sentences. Look students, water takes the verb it is the best. Cook, drink, these are unnatural, unusual. It's not correct, should not be correct. Water is a liquid substance. This is a sentence of introductory sentence. That means introduction. We can make this sentence as introduction of this passage. Water is a liquid substance. Here, this first sentence, and then it is found. That means we can see water where it is found. Where we can see in seas, rivers and ponds. That means we find water in seas, rivers and ponds. We cook our food with water. We cook, that means water is used. Water is used in cooking food. We can write this sentence. We cook our food with water, and ultimately, finally, you can say that we drink water and quench our thirst. And this is the answer of this table. Again, students, look, water. This is the main theme of the sentence, and it is the beginning subject of this table. Water is a liquid substance. পানি একটি তরল পদার্থ. It is found in seas, rivers and ponds. That means the source of water. Where we find water, we cook our food with water. Here, water, we use water in various purposes, and in one purpose is cooking food. Here we use water. আমরা ব্যবহার করি cook food. আমরা আমাদের খাবার রান্না করি with water. and then last line যে আমরা পানি পান করি এবং আমাদের তৃষ্ণা মিটাই, কোয়েন্স দ্যাট মিন্স মিটানো, তৃষ্ণা মিটানো। উই ড্রিঙ্ক ওয়াটার অ্যান্ড কোয়েন্স আওয়ার থার্স্ট। I hope that you understand this table. This is the substitution table we discussed. I hope that you all understand these topics. Dear students, this was the topics today's upper classes. I hope and I suggest you to study and to take part in your studies in your residence and see it in your exercise book. You practice this substitution table from your exercise book in your residence. Okay, that's all. Keep yourself safe and sound, staying at home. That's all. Okay, best of luck.